Now I'm heading towards San Cristobal. I think that's the way it's pronounced. I'm sure I'm wrong. This is an interesting theater oriented. It's a nice neighborhood. Looks like it. There's a lot of Peruvian influence in this town. A lot of Peruvians. Peru is about 3.5 hours away from here. It's closer to Washington, D.C. than it is to Santiago. There's a Peruvian restaurant down there. Next door is a Chilean one, I think. Still doing a walking tour of Peru, heading towards this tourist attraction that everybody talks about. Excuse me, San Cristóbal. Okay. I think I actually came here the other night. It was dark. Yeah, that's it up there in the mountain. Yep, that's it over there, right on top of the mountain. Kind of dangerous around here, I've been told, especially at night time. Just waiting to cross the street. They're very respectful of the crosswalks in Santiago, Chile. They will stop for pedestrians. That's supposedly the tallest building, and used to be the tallest building in South America over there. I hear another building overtaking it. You know, Chileans are not the most friendly of people I found out. This is the river that flows all the way through the city. Oh, this is not the place I came to the last time. That was Plaza Italia, close to the university. This is a different area. And again, you can see that building from here. If you smile at Chileans, they don't feel the need to smile back at you. That's like some kind of park over there. They do have a lot of parks. Santa Maria. As far as you can see that building, you pretty much can find your way in Santiago, Chile. It's kind of like the way the Washington Monument is to Washington. Hi, how you doing? Just come back from oh, okay, straight down. Thank you. I was just told I'm on the right path. Nice buildings. That's that building again. The whole of Santiago is surrounded by mountains, sort of like Brazil, Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Security is tight in the homes. I'm gonna have to take a break here, stop the camera